Hey, welcome to the vlog. I hope you had a great day. Weekend. What day is it? Monday. Cool. Well, I don't know what day it is, but we got a bunch of happy dogs here.
Oh man, Wiggy, you shed it all over me,
Definitely
bud.
have some hair on yourself. Clean yourself up, Cole. Cheetos and molasses on a hot day in Vegas. I don't know what that means, but hello everybody. Some really good content right now. I think you should keep on doing it.
Yeah.
Before Poppy's insides become one of his outsides. Looks like he's gonna jump through his skin. Hey.
Come here, buddy. Come here. This is how I get him down. That way, if he pees there, and then he just jumps out, and then runs around and does his little thing. Whatever that is. Bark at people. And here we got the sandblaster all set up. We promptly nicknamed him. Maybe because he's green and ugly. But it works exceptionally well.
How dare you?
We made this little step stool for it. Everything's set up, wired up and everything, lights and everything. Which we didn't have in the last vlog. There we go. That's pretty bright in there. So I'm mixing some glass bead with some aluminum silicone.
Definitely a lot tougher.
Is it spraying the black stuff yet?
No.
It might take a while to build up into the pot.
This thing's heavy duty. It's hard to hold it up in the air.
Let go of the trigger once. So I think when you let go, it opens a valve. That stuff will refill in. Once it stops here. It looks all like same. That's good. Okay, now try her.
Try again?
Give her the gusto!
Whoa.
So that we get a little bit more cutting factor. It's great for removing mill scale and oils and whatnot. But powder coat, which is one of the hardest things to remove because when you heat it up, i.e. from abrasive sanding, it gets gummy. But just the glass bead was having problems removing it. But with adding some of that aluminum silicone in it, it seems to be working pretty decent. Slow going though, but this is just a test piece. This is just to see what this machine is capable of doing. But it's great. It's quick. It's fast. It's confined and works well. So far, 2 thumbs up. Dan, what do you think of it? You used it.
It's fine. It's good. Works good. Works way better than that thing. That's
This guy. Yeah. Siphon feed. That's your typical siphon feed.
This thing looks like a Jim Henson movie, man. It's like you open this up and Helen Bonham Carter's gonna pop out. It's the antagonist. It's just, I don't know, it just looks like all dark and dingy.
Yeah, it's not as bright in here. You don't have these I think they're 125 watt lamps I put in. But it makes a huge difference. It still makes, you get a pretty big cloud in here, but this actually, removes most of it, the fan system.
I said Jim Henson. I meant Jim Burton. Tim Burton?
Yeah.
I don't know what I meant. But that's what I meant. Jim Burton.
I thought you were talking about the Muppets.
Tim Burton. Jim Henson's the Muppets. Okay,
That's
Tim
all
Burton.
we need to do is start getting Muppet stickers and putting up.
Well, I mean, it kind of a little bit of a Muppet, so both Jim Henson and Tim Burton. But yeah, don't get on me in the comments section.
It's okay, nobody watches our videos.
Yeah,
anyways.
dude. guys, I know I'm dumb.
Yeah.
Rim jobs in here though.
Yep.
Bunch of rim jobs.
Got a little Oscar the Grouch. And a big Oscar the Grouch.
And an even bigger Oscar the Grouch.
Uh-huh.
People's eyebrow. Shout out to Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
For what?
The people's eyebrow.
Oh.
Mr. Man.
Shout out to Kevin Hart. Shout out Kevin Hart for inspiring Big Papi to do things. I don't know what I was gonna say. I'm just trying to make stuff up.
Yeah, unfortunately, I didn't film anything until Dane got here at like probably 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Oh my gosh, it's almost 6 o'clock. I just been working on getting these plans and everything done for that belt sander. It's getting there. It's just extremely time consuming, but it'll be nice once it's done.
Yahtzee!
Did some more work on the belt sander today. Got the material last week. Made this platen holder and the smaller 2-inch rollers. Still have to do the backing. Right now it's just a slack belt. And still have a couple other things I got to do. This guy here is for, it doesn't quite fit because it's too high. This is for your table, which is over here. Which we just blasted the mill scale off. That will fit on there. And this fella here, which we also blasted, fits down on here. So we'll just pretend it's sitting there. Goes on there like that. And then this guy sits on top of that, goes around the belt, and gets welded to that. So So just a little bit more work to go on this guy, and she'll be done. And it can't be done soon enough. It's taking forever. But that was just probably the third or fourth startup I did. Tracking's a little. You have to space out these the wheels. Well, that one won't be spaced, but to get it to line just right. And it seems to be tracking okay. I don't know. I gotta play some more time with it. This I didn't bolt down yet. I gotta drill and put 2 bolts through that. That'll make this much more stable. Right now it's kind of a little loose, and that will tighten that up. See how it's moving there. So I'm sure that's affecting how it's tracking and the knocking that it's making. But we'll get to that another day. Hey, lady. Hey, baby. Where's your brother?
Is he up there too?
Yeah.
He's been up there the whole time. Hasn't come down.
No, I don't think he can. I actually carried him up there. Hey, baby. How was your nap, huh? Was it fun? Yeah, let me go get him. I gotta go get your brother because he's not gonna come down the steps. Oh. Hey, buddy. You ready to go bye-byes? You ready? Come here. I'll take show you down. Come here. I know you're scared and so scared. Oh, there he is. He's off fighting. He's off fighting. Come here. Come here, wait. Oh, there he gets it. Oh, I got you. I know, it's scary. My little heart's pounding. I feel it.
I'm scared too. I was gonna walk backwards down this.
Yeah, there you go, buddy.
He's like, oh my gosh, that was my least favorite thing ever.
Well, he sits there and he stands there and he just watches me. He's like, I'm like, get in your bed, buddy. He's just like Lady's up there and Poppy's in his bed.
I don't know what's going on, dude.
I'll carry him up and see what he does. Yeah. All ready to go. Here's something I blasted too. It's a little dirty now. That was all covered in rust. Blasted that thing in like a minute. It was awesome. Really nice job. I did an aluminum piece too. That turned out really nice. Here's a piece I got to weld up. Maybe we'll video that. If anybody knows what that might be, or what it's going to be,
drop a comment. I know what it is. Lightsaber.
Yes, I'm making lightsabers. Elite saber. Cracked it good.
Call the ambulance. All right, so that's the opening part. So here's the sign off. I didn't stop recording, by the way, so you're gonna have to edit this.
Come on, guys, everybody upsies. Come on, poppers. Come on. Whoop. There you go, buds. Your little thing. That's his co-pilot seat. He likes to tell me how I'm doing.
So thanks for tuning in today. Seems like any time that I come over, Cole's like frantically trying to shoot a vlog.
Well, if you'd show up a little earlier, you could help me shoot it instead of me going, hey, let's make a vlog.
This is my
updated vlog of what's going on.
This is my day off today. Kind of.
I never get a day off.
I never do either, so I try to take one. I don't know where we're walking to, but thanks for watching.
I got to turn off the lights.
Like, subscribe, tell your friends, share this video. If you're just joining in, thanks for watching. And
come on back now, you hear? Key.
Key.
So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you.